Videography in polling station. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the need of having video camera at polling station, cite the method of placing of the video camera, illustrate what should be recorded. Why we need a video camera? In order to enable the Commission to have a true, faithful and concurrent record of the violations of the election law and the standing instructions of the Commission, and to assess the impact of its corrective measures, we need a video camera at critical polling stations. Generally, they are placed in method of recording and placing the camera. Camera shall be placed in such a manner that they can record the electors in the queue, polling station, including the process and the proceedings of the identification of electors, application of indelible ink, etc. It must be ensured that secrecy of voting is not violated in any manner. What should be recorded? Riots or riotous situations or commissions, brickbatting, free for all, etc. Violent incidents, damaging of property, looting, arson, brandishing of arms, etc. Booth capturing, intimidation of the electors. Positioning of voting compartment, basic minimum facilities at the polling station, presence of polling agents, mock poll, clearing of mock poll. Sealing of EVM and VVPAT, process of identification of electors, electors in queues, the length of queue at the time of fixed for the closure of poll. Any dispute of any nature at the polling station, visit by sector officers, observers, and the other electoral functionaries or any important person, including the candidates. Replacement of EVM VVPAT, any incident at the polling stations, all video and photography should be done with date and time recording so that real time and date can be verified. Provision of providing copies. Certified print of the video cassette shall be given to any person applying for the same on the payment. In this educational video, we have learned about the videography in polling station. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.